Hello, dear viewers. Today we will talk about the Visa card from Chocolate Finance, a unique credit card that offers numerous benefits for its users. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. The Visa card from Chocolate Finance offers 1% cash back on all purchases, making it attractive for those who frequently shop. Additionally, the card provides the opportunity to earn up to 5% cash back on specific spending categories, such as restaurants, travel, and entertainment. Now let's discuss the interest rates and fees. The standard interest rate for the card is 19.99% APR, which is quite competitive. However, if you fail to pay off your balance during the grace period, you may incur interest charges. As for fees, the card does not have an annual service fee, which is a significant advantage. However, if you do not use the card for 12 months, a fee of $10 may be charged. To obtain the Visa card, you will need to fill out several fields. You will be required to provide your full name, residential address, date of birth, social security number, contact phone number, email address, income and employment information. After filling out all the necessary information, you can submit your application and await approval. Now let's list the advantages. 1% cash back on all purchases and up to 5% on specific categories. No annual service fee. Competitive interest rate of 19.99% APR. Convenient mobile banking and 24/7 account access. However, like any product, there are also some disadvantages. The interest rate can be high if you do not pay off your balance on time. A $10 fee for inactivity over the course of a year. Overall, the Visa card from Chocolate Finance is an excellent choice for those looking to earn cash back on their purchases without paying an annual fee. If you're in the market for a rewarding credit card, this product is worth considering. Thank you for watching.